Beneath the emerald canopy of the Amazon rainforest, sunlight filters through tangled vines and the calls of howler monkeys echo across ancient trees. This vibrant wilderness teems with life, a living tapestry unmatched anywhere on Earth. But behind this beauty lies a hidden dimension ruled by creatures so small, most people never know they're there until it's too late. Microscopic parasites, masters of stealth and survival, hunt within the shadows, infiltrating bodies and minds with chilling precision. Today, we embark on a journey into the Amazon's invisible underworld. Join me as we count down 10 of the most terrifying real-life micro-parasites found in this rainforest. Deep within the leaf litter, an ant scurries, though not of its own volition. Infected by the Ophiocordyceps fungus, it's no longer the master of its fate. The fungus floods the ant's nervous system, warping its instincts and compelling it to climb. It clamps its jaws onto a leaf, a final act dictated by its fungal overlord. The fungus digests the ant from within, sprouting a stalk from its head to shower spores below. For millions of years, this fungus has perfected mind control, a chilling reminder that even the smallest organisms can wield immense power. Beneath the Amazon's rivers, a slender, translucent fish waits. The candiru, no longer than a matchstick, is infamous for its ability to infiltrate the most vulnerable parts of its victims. Drawn by the scent of urea, it homes in on chemical trails left by fish, or, rarely, by humans. In a flash, it enters orifices and becomes lodged, its spines flaring to prevent escape. Though rare, the trauma it inflicts is real, and extraction is dangerous. In the Amazon, even the smallest inhabitants can inspire the greatest dread. High above the forest floor, a mosquito lands silently on exposed skin. Hitching a ride are the eggs of the human botfly, waiting for the perfect moment. The eggs are deposited into the tiny wound left by the mosquito's bite. Days later, a faint wriggling beneath the skin signals the botfly larva feeding on living tissue. For weeks it remains, safely ensconced within its living host, until it emerges, leaving behind a crater of raw flesh. The experience is unforgettable, etching a new respect for the hidden dangers thriving in the rainforest. As the sun dips below the horizon, sandflies emerge, almost invisible in the fading light. With a delicate bite, they deliver leishmania, a protozoan parasite with a devastating appetite for human flesh. Once inside, leishmania invades immune cells, multiplying and spreading through the skin. The resulting lesions can be gruesome, open sores that refuse to heal, sometimes destroying the nose and mouth. In the Amazon, leishmaniasis is a silent epidemic, a reminder that not all wounds are visible at first glance. In the hush of night, a silent hunter emerges. The kissing bug seeks out the warmth of a sleeping face, drawn to the carbon dioxide we exhale. It settles near the lips or eyes before delivering its bite, but the real danger is in its feces. Here lurks Trypanosoma cruzi, the agent of Chagas disease, which enters the bloodstream as the victim scratches. Chagas disease can remain hidden for years, quietly damaging the heart and digestive system. The kissing bug is a master of stealth, a nocturnal assassin whose impact is never truly gone. On a sweltering day, a villager bends to drink from a stagnant pool. Unseen larvae of the guinea worm drift in the water, waiting for a new host. Once swallowed, they burrow through the body, growing for nearly a year before reaching the surface. A painful blister forms, burning with intensity, driving the host to seek relief in water. As the blister bursts, the guinea worm slowly emerges, sometimes stretching over a meter in length. Its life cycle is a testament to resilience, and a reminder that the Amazon's greatest dangers are often hidden in plain sight. In the dense undergrowth, a wound, no matter how small, can spell disaster. The screwworm fly lays its eggs in open flesh. Within hours, larvae tunnel into living tissue. The pain is immediate and sharp as the larvae feed, expanding their burrows and drawing in bacteria. Left untreated, the wound festers and the damage can be catastrophic. The screwworm larvae are indiscriminate, consuming healthy tissue until nothing remains but devastation. In this world of competition, the screwworm fly is one of the rainforest's most dreaded inhabitants. Hidden in the muddy banks of the Amazon's rivers, another threat lurks. one that targets from within. The giant kidney worm begins its journey when mammals consume raw or undercooked fish, or amphibians harboring its larvae. Once inside, the worm migrates to the kidneys, growing up to a meter in length and slowly devouring the organ. Symptoms are subtle at first, but as the worm matures, the damage becomes irreversible. The giant kidney worm is a silent predator, thriving in the shadows, a chilling embodiment of the rainforest's hidden perils. In the Amazon's labyrinth of waterways, shellfish are a tempting delicacy, but lurking within some crustaceans is the larva of the lung fluke, Paragonomus. When eaten undercooked, these parasites burrow into the abdominal cavity and eventually, the lungs. Once established, they lay eggs, triggering symptoms eerily similar to tuberculosis and often leading to misdiagnosis. The lung fluke's ability to mimic other diseases is a testament to the cunning of the parasites that call this rainforest home. In the shimmering heat of the Amazon, a cool swim offers relief, but in warm, stagnant pools, an invisible killer awaits, Naegleria fowleri, the brain-eating amoeba. When contaminated water is forced up the nose, the amoeba travels up the olfactory nerve into the brain. There, it consumes brain tissue, triggering a rapid and devastating infection almost always fatal. There is no known cure, and even the healthiest individuals are vulnerable. Naegleria fowleri is the ultimate terror of the microscopic world, a reminder that the greatest threats are often those we cannot see. The Amazon is a realm of astonishing beauty and infinite wonder, but as we've seen, its greatest dangers often hide in plain sight, invisible to all but the most watchful eyes. Each of these micro-parasites reminds us that the rainforest's mysteries run far deeper than its towering trees and vibrant creatures. By learning about these unseen threats, we not only protect ourselves, but also deepen our appreciation for the delicate balance that makes the Amazon extraordinary. Which of these micro-monsters terrified you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most mysterious rainforest.